How to add friends in eFootball. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add friends on eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have the eFootball game and now you want to add friends, you cannot actually add friends because the friends option has actually been removed by eFootball. The thing you can do is you can create a match room and someone else who has the code can join the match room. So to do this, you can just come to this match tab over here, go to this option known as friend match, then go to create a 1 versus 1 match room. And if you want to play with your friends, then first of all you can set a passcode, but I'm going to skip that, and then you can just tap the create option here. And once you tap the create option over here, what you need to do is on the next page you'll have this little room number, right? You have to copy this room number like this and then just give it to your friend. So let's say you are sharing and you want to play with someone, you have to invite that friend to join this room number. And let's say that I am that friend who I have got the code, and let's say that you have the code, and if you want to join the match room, your friend has to come to this search match room section. They have to simply paste the code that their friend gave them, tap the done option, tap the search, the room will show up, and then you can go ahead and then play the game in that way. So you cannot directly add friends, but you can simply create a match room, give the code to the person you want to play with or your friend, and they will be able to join that match room. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.